If you don't want your phone contacts to find you on Snapchat, do this. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on Contact Me. This setting controls who can contact you directly on Snapchat. If it's set to friends and contacts, anyone saved in your phone's contacts may be able to find and contact you. For better privacy, change this setting to friends. Now, go back to the previous page. Scroll up a little bit. And tap on Contacts. Here, you can view the contacts you've shared with Snapchat. To remove these contacts, tap on Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat. Then select Confirm to remove all previously synced contacts from your account. It will redirect you to the Snapchat settings on your phone. Tap on Contacts at the top and change the permission to None. This prevents Snapchat from accessing your phone's contacts in the future. And that's it.